Hey crafty people, it's Tasha and I'm back with the new monthly challenge because we are sliding into February. How? How? So I want to start by saying a huge thank you for how much you guys really took to our Show Us Your Wow challenge. It was just amazing. We were so blown away by all the amazing ways that you use and love wow products, and we absolutely loved that our feed was full of so many gorgeous creations. We had so many entries into our monthly challenge this month that it was really difficult to choose a winner, and I wanted to showcase the amazing creations that you made. So I thought I would start this video with a rolling clip of the stunning entries that we had, because I think everyone deserves their creations to be seen because they were just stunning. As hard as it was to choose a winner, we did choose a winner, and I will be announcing that at some point during this video. But now I want to slide into February, and we thought it was time to take a coffee break. So this month's theme is coffee break. Wake up and smell the coffee. We want to see any coffee inspired creations. So I'm going to kick us off with my ultimate favorite tip and technique when I am doing any sort of coffee. It doesn't have to be coffee either. It could be like, tea, hot chocolate, anything, anything like that. But yeah, my ultimate top technique is to use the white ultra high powder on the frothy foam bit or cream, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it, to get that realistic texture and look. And I love it, and I'm sharing it with you. So I'm using the Wow embossing pen, and I'm just laying some of the ink down with the pen, to then add my powder to. So I do it in layers because I wanted to build up quite a lot of texture. I want to say as well, if you've never used the pen that I'm using, then it's amazing. It is really amazing. I've had other brands of embossing pens in the past. I won't mention any names, but I've had other brands and just not really took to them. I found some were too dry, others were too soft, but this is amazing. It's firm enough that you can really use it to lay down the detail that you want, but it was still really juicy. So yeah, just as an aside there. So with the ultra high powder, it is as it suggests, whereas we have like super fine powders, this one is quite chunky, each pieces, so you're not going to get that sort of smooth look. You're going to get the texture, and yeah, I just think it's perfect for whipped cream on top of my coffee or whatever it is that I've got there. Caramel latte I would have if the world was normal and we could go out, then I would be at a coffee place drinking caramel latte. Yum. Oh. Anywho, so yeah, here I have used obviously an image of a coffee mug. It's one by Gracie Ali Designs. It's digital. I love this image. It's beautiful. But you don't have to. It doesn't have to be a picture of coffee. It could be anything really. Maybe you want to make some gift card holders for coffee shop gift cards. Maybe you want to make something completely off the page and create some artwork, a canvas or anything. You know, you don't have to be limited to cards. If you want to make cards, then great. I make cards, that's what I love to do. But just want you to know that you can do anything. The sky is the limit with this challenge. It really is. I mean, maybe you've got a lovely coffee related memory that inspires you. Maybe you're inspired by the texture or the smell or the taste or anything. You know, we just really want to see. So here I've layered up the ultra high white, and I am just putting a little bit of the detail back in, just adding some shading, so that, you know, it looks like it's a swirl of whipped cream or whatever. So yeah, I'm using my just some pencil crayons to get that effect. Then my favorite tip on top of my favorite tip is I like to grab a brown pencil crayon, colouring pencil. We say pencil crayon over here, but I don't think anyone else does. But yeah, I like to grab it and then hold it right at the other end, and hold it so it's almost flat to the page, and just run that over the ultra high powder, and it just the powder just picks up little bits of the crayon. I don't want to put pressure on because I'm not trying to make the cream brown. All I'm trying to do is make it look like there's little sprinkles of cocoa on top. And I just think that's really cool. I like that. So yeah, that's my inspiration for the start of the month. As usual, we will have loads of inspiration from the rest of the team. Don't forget, guys, that you can actually enter 3 projects to the challenge. So maybe you have multiple ideas. Cracking. You can enter up to 3. I'll just remind you quickly of the ways to enter. You can either go via our Facebook group and add your images to the album there, or you can enter via Instagram, and you just need to put hashtag Wow Embossing Challenge and we will find your entries via that. I know that January is over, so our Show Us Your Wow challenge is over, but you know, we always want to see what you guys make, so please continue to show us your wow by using our other hashtags, hashtag Wow Embossing and hashtag Wow Embossing Powder. And yeah, we just love to see what you guys are making and share that. So there's my card. I finished it with just simple die cut and embossed sentiment. So now it is time for me to announce the winner of January's challenge. Our winner is Natasha Vacker with this stunning card. It just blew us away. It's so beautiful. So congratulations, Natasha. Thank you to everybody else who took part. Amazing, an awesome way to kick off the year, and we can't wait to see what you get up to this month. Stay crafty. Bye.